Hi, I'm Peter from Wham Bam, and we're super excited to show you our newest product, another product in the line of our ultimate resin tools. This one is the ultimate drip station. We have both a table version, let me move this away so you can see it, and a wall mounted version. These tools allow you to clean your vat and let it drip dry effortlessly and one-handedly, and I'm going to show you how to use them. So first of all, you can put your resin bottle underneath with a funnel, or with our ultimate fun, the best silicone funnel here, with a paper filter. And when you're ready to drain your vat, we just take the vat out. We pour off any excess into the funnel. And then when ready, we just sit it there and let it hang and drip. Since you don't need hands, it's also very easy with our ultimate wipe to just come in and further clean all that resin off and accelerate the process of cleaning and get a really nice clean, so that when it is time to finally wash with alcohol, you have very little wasted resin. You've gotten all your resin back into your bottle, filtered through, and you're ready to go. The same option is available, like I said, in the wall-mounted version. The beauty of the wall-mounted version is if you're like us and you have 3D printers on every one of your work surfaces, you don't have room for another table-mounted product. So we made this wall-mounted version simple to hang. Once that it's up there, you just forget about it. The vat holder will move to any different size. Never seen a bottle this tall, but it'll hold any size bottle. You just move it down to the size you need. Put your vat in there and you're ready to go. When you're not using it, it just stays on your wall out of the way. You could even have a printer in front of it, no problem at all. Both of these versions are made to accommodate a really wide range of sizes of vats. Almost anything will fit in here, and they'll hold a heavy weight. I'll even show it to you with the Jupiter vat, which is quite awkward and quite large. You can see the Jupiter vat right here, but if you get it in there the right way, there we go, it will even hold the Jupiter vat with no problem at all. When you're all done, all you have to do is remove your vat, wipe it down with some paper towel, put a little bit of alcohol inside, clean it once more, close your resin bottle, and you're back to printing. So it's wonderful. You could even walk away and just let it drip dry overnight. Just make sure that wherever you mount this, it's not in direct sunlight. You don't want sunlight curing the resin inside of your vat or on the product while it's dripping. So that is our new Ultimate Drip Station, the Ultimate Drip table version, the Ultimate Drip wall version. You could also match it with our other products like our Ultimate Wipe, our Ultimate Vat for easy vat cleaning, our slap mats, our Ultimate Funnel. With Wham Bam's Ultimate Resin line of tools, you can really improve your workflow with resin so that you're keeping your resins contained and clean and operating on your tools and your machines with ease. Thank you very much.